I'm going to show you how to receive money on Payoneer. So first you want to go to payoneer.com and then sign into your account. Now to get paid, you want to click on the get paid button here. And to receive payments, you want to basically use the Payoneer receiving accounts they give you when you sign up. You can click on receiving accounts here. And they should give you 3 different accounts for these 3 different currencies, one for Euro, one for GBP, and one for US dollars. And once you click on one of them, they should give you all the bank details, which you can click on copy all and send them to the guy or whoever is trying to pay you so that you can receive payments. And the second most easy way is to get paid directly through Payoneer. You can simply copy your email and send it to the guy who's trying to pay you. And if they have a Payoneer account, they can click on the pay button and then pay to a recipient, and then paste your email here, select their balance and specify the amount. The minimum is $50. And once they pay you, you can receive it directly to your Payoneer balance. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.